Hello and welcome back, Boxer1 here, and welcome to my monthly animation update that I do, you guessed it, every month. And I'm just here to talk about what I'm going to do this month for my animation, the big one that I've been working on since September of 2024, and is now in its final stages. Now, last month I got a lot done, actually. I did get a lot more than I thought I would get done. I got about, I'd say, a third, maybe more of a quarter done because there are some things that I didn't finish. About a quarter to a third done. And this month, I plan to get at least another third done. And I'm actually working on backgrounds still. I've got a lot of the backgrounds done now. I've decided to go with this option for the space themed backgrounds with the space in the background. I've decided not to use Sharpie, mainly because it would take a lot of more time, of course, a lot of more time, but it also wouldn't look as good, I don't think. And although this doesn't look great, and I'm still trying to find a solution for maybe future animations, I think this is what I'm going to go with here, just because it does allow it to look more cohesive in the scene. Because with Sharpie, it's one massive dark spot. If I was using all markers, I think it would be fine, but since I'm using colored pencils and stuff like that, which are, first of all, very annoying, I don't think it looks as good. So this is what I'm going with. I'm probably gonna change it if I do future animations, but yeah, this is what I'm going with here. I've also been continuing to work on the backgrounds, and I plan to do a lot more backgrounds soon because I'll just have more time. Photographing images, I'm on scene whatever it is, frame, let's see, 1585. Or I guess this would be the top frame that I'm on, about 1500. Very nice, perfect. But yeah, just a lot of more photographing and a lot of more putting things together. Why do I say a lot of more? That doesn't make sense. Anyway, a lot of stuff to do this month. What I mainly plan to do is, as I said, work on more backgrounds, work on more just stuff in general, and putting things together and editing images is what takes most of the time. I'd say editing takes a lot more time than putting things together because you have to remove the backgrounds from the frames, you have to crop the frames before you can remove the backgrounds, and doing one takes about 30 seconds to crop, or less time to crop, probably 10 seconds to crop, and about maybe 30 seconds to a minute on average to actually edit out the background because I have to do it manually. So yeah, it takes like 40 seconds to get one done, and yeah, that takes a lot of time when you have a 2,200 frame animation or 2,300 frame animation. You can do the math on that if you want, but yeah, a very nice thingy-mabobber I'm doing here, and I'm enjoying it at least. And I plan to continue to work on it to release it hopefully in July. My plan with either June or July, I don't see it getting done by the end of this month, but I do see it getting done easily by the end of next month. So let's hope that I can do that, and let's hope that I'm not lazy. So yeah, I do hope you enjoyed. Not much more to say here, other than I hope you enjoyed. And I shall see you next time. Goodbye.